The agency at AGI Denim is a small creative team. We research, we concept, design, develop, and finally produce and market. We're at source, which is quite unique, so that we can have design integrated throughout the entire design and development and production process. The agency creative team is really the creative engine of the company. We have a creative center here in Karachi. I work with the team of designers every day of the week, building product, researching trends, and delivering innovation throughout the creative process. There's a team of designers working not only on research for brands, research for trends, but also on product creation and concept work to stay ahead of market trends and be ready when those trends hit.
So with the agency, we plan to bring to the market a unique service as part of our value proposition, where we will be showcasing to the brands and co-creating with brands a lot of design innovation, trend, and we plan to bring speed to market. Today, every brand wants to elevate their product, they want to elevate their image, and that's where the agency can really come in. As a supplier, we are privy to a lot of trends and a lot of macro trends that are happening in fashion, and can provide a lot of valuable information into what we see is going to be trending in the future.
All of the facilities for the agency and AGI Denim are LEED certified. They're also very close in proximity, which helps us keep our emissions low. We have a completely holistic approach to the product creation process. Our R&D teams in garmenting as well as in fabric and fiber allows us to work with the fiber, starting with the fiber, taking that through spinning, weaving, garmenting, and then finally wash.
With having all design services in-house, from designing, creating mood boards, trends, trend forecasting, we can offer a service that will set us in a different league, and we will not just be a regular supplier, but truly providing a service that will be unique to the industry.